our thoughts to Goddess Durga. Let us take our awareness and our thoughts to Goddess Durga. Imagine Goddess Durga in front of you. Goddess Durga in her full form, the mighty Durga with all her weapons, is just in front of you. For some, you may visualize as an Mahishasuramardini standing on the head of the buffalo. For some, you will be visualizing along with the tiger. For some, you will be visualizing along with the lion. For some, you will be visualizing with the goddess which you have seen in a temple near you. Whatever comes the image, just focus on her. Now focus on your legs. Focus on Goddess Durga legs. See how her leg is. What is the color of her legs? Has she applied mehendi on her legs? Does she has an anklet in her legs? How does her leg look like to you? Is it sattvic or it is ferocious? What is the feeling you get looking at her legs? Now, surrender your complete body to her legs. See yourself falling on her legs. Surrender completely on your legs. When you surrender completely from your head to the toe to the goddess Durga, we are surrendering all the ego. Whenever the head touches the floor, whenever the head touches the lotus feet of goddess, it means we are surrendering our ego. Let all the ego, let all the body, emotions, thoughts are completely surrendered in a lotus feet. As we completely surrender all the ego, all the unwanted emotions, all the things which is blocking for our success to our lotus feet. After a few seconds, imagine you're sitting in front of her. We are all actually together sitting in front of Goddess Durga. We are all with one mission. We are going to receive the shield from her with the folded hands. Let us request to Goddess Durga. Durga, Goddess Durga, we have come here to request your shield on us completely for the next 1 year. Protect us completely. As you say the words, you see behind, your whole family is sitting behind. Your parents, your spouse, your children, your near and dear. Behind that, you see your house, you see your vehicles, you see your money, you see your reputation, you see your health, you see your happiness and peace of mind, you see your relationships, perfect relationships, you see everything which you feel you have, the goddess has blessed in our life. whatever we have in our life and whatever we want in our life, we see that all sitting behind after our family, starting from the house till the last thing which we feel we are already owning and which we want to own in our life. As everything is behind us, we request Goddess Durga to protect all of the things. Now, mentally, put kumkum on our lotus feet, put turmeric on our lotus feet, put flowers on our lotus feet, and request her for complete shield of everything which we own. Goddess Durga, I have come here with my family, with all the things I own, to be at peace always. Please send your protective shield around me and my family and for all the items which I am possessing and for all the items which I want to attain. Let your shield be a perfect shield which can remove all the curses, all the excess, all the karmic, all the negativities, evil eye, black magic, the things which somebody is sending without their own awareness, the things which is formed by my own negative thoughts, my own negative beliefs. Many times it is my own thoughts and my beliefs which is not allowing me to enjoy whatever I have in my life. Let your shield remove everything which is not needed for me from my body, from my mind, from my auric field. As we call and genuinely request and seek her blessing and completely surrendering to her, let us visualize a big shield like a cylinder comes and surround us. This is a cylinder, a protective cylinder, which is sealed in all the direction and sealed from upper and lower. Vertically also it is sealed, horizontally also it is shielded. It is an imagined shield, it's not physically present, but it is energetically present. Anything negative comes near the shield, see it as a reflective power and it reflects and goes back. Now, this shield is formed for us and for the family members and for the houses and for the vehicles and for all the things which we have already mentioned. Mentally chant Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Mentally chant Om Doom Durgaya Namaha as the shield is formed around everything. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, 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 Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. This shield first forms the protection around our each chakra and for the protection of all the body organs and for every and each cell and for the auric force. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. She, the goddess, in each chakras, each body part, each cell, each nerve, blood, all the organs, all your auric fleas. See the goddess is present and protecting you. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See the vibration of ours increases. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See the sindoor present inside our auric body. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Our auric body has different layers. See, the Durga shield energy is protecting in all the layers. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Now this protective field goes to all the family members, your relatives, the one whom you care. Om Dooms, imagine each one of them and see the shield completely protecting them. And the shield is going to be for the next 1 year. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, 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 Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. This shield is going to remove all the hexes, curses, negative thoughts, negative beliefs, others' negativities, evil eyes, black magic, any other karmic, any other astrological, any other planetary, any other numerological, any other genetic things which is going to harm each one of us physically, mentally, emotionally. All the negativities are going. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, 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 Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, the vehicles are completely in the shield of Goddess Durga. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Completely the vehicles are protected, completely protected from all the direction, from all the dangers. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, the house, the place where we live in, is completely protected with the Durga shield. Only positive energy can be entered. See, the vibration of the house increases like a homam, big homam, chandi homam, as if it is happened in the house. The same vibration. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, 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 Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, the money, career, whatever we already have is protected, and whatever we are going to earn is also going to be protected. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Money is spent in good ways. Money, whatever we spend, is going to come back to us in multiple ways. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, all the relationship which we already exist are protected. All the negativities which exist in between the relationships are all released, and the beautiful relationships are protected from all others' evil eyes, negative energy, any karmic negativities, any astrological, numerological, planetical, any negativities are all released from all the relationship which we hold. Let all the relationships are protected by Durga shield. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, our name, fame, our career, our success, our reputation, our characters, everything is protected with the Durga's energy. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha, 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 Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See, our talents, our skills, our abilities, the things which we possess from nature, from our birth, the things which we developed over the ages, is all protected with Durga shield. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. 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 See, all the talents, all the skills, all the happiness, all the peace, all the smile, all the laughter is all protected with the Durga shield. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. 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 See, our luxuries, our travels, and any other things which we feel we possess are all protected with the Durga's energy. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. 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 See the spirituality, our connection with the divine energies, our connection with the universe, our connection with the Reiki, our connection with the higher energies are all protected. And this relationship and the spirituality is going to expand with divine Durga's energy and a shield. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. 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 Now with the protection and shield on everything which we own, let us make a big ball of shield. Big ball. In that ball, all of us with all our family members, all the time things which we own, all the things which we have, let us form a big ball of shield with Durga's energy. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. 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 With the big shield which is formed around us from all of us, let us include this shield to all the people who need protection, to all the vulnerable people, to all the devotees of Durga who is requesting the shield for them. Let us all include, let us all give what we just received from Goddess Durga. Let us send this shield to our Mother Earth. She she is also covered with the Durga's energy. See Goddess Durga, who is just in physical form, just in front of her, is coming as an energetic form, filling each and everything which we have put shield on. She is in the Mother Earth, she is in our cells. Visualize she is energetically around all of us. Om Dhoom Durgaya Namaha. Now with divine gratitude for what all she has done and what all she is going to do. Thank her fully and once again surrender her. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. See the smell of sindoor, see the smell of turmeric, see the smell of flowers inside us. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. 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 This shield is on 24 hours for the next 1 year. It is going to be always on over the daytime, over the nighttime, every month for the whole year, not only for us, for all the things which we have requested. Om Doom Durgaya Namaha. Thank you, Divine Goddess. Thank you, Ayurvedic Reiki, for attuning me for all the items. Thank you, everyone, for being present energetically and shielding all of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.